You found somebody here. Who is this? Hello? Hello, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Hello, you. Hello. Yes, today Stormy came to visit quite early. And he decided to stick around. It's all afternoon already. It's almost late afternoon. He's still hanging around. I'm pretty happy he's hanging around. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. I think he's quite comfy today. Are you feeling comfy? Always mischievous. Handsome boy. Can I see you well? Yeah. I don't know what it is. A little bit warm today, but he's pretty smart cat. He stay in the shade. I like you. You.